great video for YouTube.
Yeah, right. Hell, I thought I kept my hands up.
It was like, yeah, right. Walk away.
I thought you were gonna push me in. Okay, just that's gonna be 6 days with no hugs.
It's like a hard choice.
Magenta, I'm leaving soon. That means no hugs until I leave.
Till he
Maybe
comes
from
back
the
in
day
2
I
weeks.
leave that you're not gonna get a hug.
I can't do it. I'm scared.
Stop fucking recording.
No, I'm too scared. Okay, will you jump in with me then?
Yeah, let's go. Right now. Right now, let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's so funny.
Hey, that's not cool.
How isn't it?
I knew you were gonna let go.
I should have just went
13 hugs.
tossed you in. Actually, I'm leaving this weekend. I just got the text. They asked if I had a place to stay until this weekend, and I'm leaving then. So that means... Are you videotaping this? Erase that part.
Go, jump in.
Probably won't get up till like a year later.
Yeah, probably won't get up till like... No, it'll be
Why?
next month at least. Because I keep forgetting. It takes so long. Died, he died.
Come in!
Did you die?
Come in!
Come on. Just stay down there for her if you can.
Yeah, right.
Are you videotaping him?
Yeah.
He likes being videotaped.
Go.
Videotape him.
No, go. Jump in. Jump in now. Hurry up.
I'm scared.
Just go right now. He's an angel.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm too scared. I'm a chicken. If I die, Monica can have all my stuff.
You should pull up your shirt.
You love it.
Locked it up. There's some random people. And there's Eric.
We're not staying in. No way, the
Go.
ripples are coming.
You're wet.
Ripples, look at those things.
What's wrong with those?
Just go.
I
Nothing's.
like staying in the water and I don't like them coming towards me when I lay there. Because I don't have good lung power and if I don't...
Go, Magenta. Deep breath. I count to 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4 and a half.
4 and 3
4
quarter.
4 3/4.
4 and 5 sixes. 4 and 7 eighths. 4 and 8 ninths. 4 and 9 tens. 5. Oh my God.
No, when is he? Here. Oh, I can't do it still.
Come on. Breathe. Breathe. You jumped in before.
Yeah, but I got forced to.
Well, what's
They forced me to go in.